Hello and welcome everyone to a new quick video on our YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be showing you a beginner's tutorial on how to change the oil on your BMW. So stick around. Okay guys, so here we are under the car. This here is the drain plug. It's a 17mm. Okay, crack her loose. Then get your drain pan. Now that we got the drain plug loose, we can remove it the rest of the way by hand. Okay guys, so this is the oil filter housing. It's a 36mm nut. I like to use a piece of cloth on it to protect it from the metal. Just like that. Now we take the cap off and then we can access the oil filter. To remove it, just pull it out. So here we have the new filter. It's OEM, BMW. See? Throw it on. Now we are removing the O-ring. Now we take the new seal that is supplied with the oil filter kit and install it on the cap. We also have a new crush washer for the drain plug, which we're gonna install. We installed the new filter on the cap, then we're gonna set it in as one unit. Just like that. Make sure you do not over tighten the cap, just tighten it hand tight because the nut is plastic which can be stripped easily and the threads are also plastic, so be gentle. Now it's time to install the drain plug with the new crush washer. Okay guys, so here we have the oil that we're gonna go with. It's a semi-synthetic oil, 10W40, made in Germany. So these M54 engines take about 6.5 liters. We've poured the first 4, now we're pouring the rest. Okay, so it's full. Now after adding the new oil, it's time to start her up. Okay guys, so now we're gonna reset the oil service light. What you do is click this button. While holding it, turn the key to the first position. Since the reset light is on, remove your hand. After you let go, you then press it again and hold it until the reset light starts blinking. Just like that. Then you let it go and hit it once again. Just like that, we showed you the simplest DIY job that you can do to your own BMW. And if you'd like to see some harder jobs on this car, make sure to go watch the other videos where we showed you how to rebuild a transfer case and fix some driveline vibrations. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.